I'm Jeff Altman, the Big Game Hunter. I'm a coach who helps people professionally in a number of different ways. My background is in executive search, and on this question that someone asked, I'm uniquely qualified because it's a LinkedIn question. I'm among the first 10,000 members on LinkedIn. And the specific details of this situation are less important than my answer, but I want to address someone's specific concern. They're starting as a sales coordinator for all U.S. sales, with their official title as Sales Coordinator Domestic. And they found that there are not many job titles, job listings using the word domestic on LinkedIn. So they want to swap it out with national as their title. So the title would read National Sales Coordinator. Is this too far of a stretch? Is it okay to reflect this as the title for this position? The specific here is about the title. Let me teach you a lesson about LinkedIn. LinkedIn has a data dictionary, and thus it wants to see things within that data dictionary when recruiters are searching. And thus, you might be better served as just listing yourself as sales coordinator in the title field, because that would show up in the data dictionary. The way you find out is you start typing the title in, and if LinkedIn offers it to you, that's in the data dictionary. If it doesn't offer it to you, it's outside of it. Then from there, in the body of the message, in the body of the information about this job, you might use the real title and then talk functionally about what you do. So it might be sales coordinator, domestic products or services, responsible for, and do it in that way. The key is around the title field and doing something that LinkedIn will recognize, because on the other side of this, what they're doing is selling a service to recruiters, both corporate and third party, that allows them to search the database for people like you. And the easiest way to be found is amongst the fields that's offered up is title. Title winds up in the data dictionary. The body of the resume, there's a keyword field. They'll find different things in there about what people do. Again, give them the title that's in the data dictionary, and in the body of the job description, be specific about what your real title is. Hope you find this helpful. I'm Jeff Altman. My website is thebiggamehunter.us. Go to the blog and go exploring. There's a lot there to help you. If you wind up being interested in one-on-one coaching, you can schedule time for a free discovery call or schedule time for coaching. I'd love to help. And subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Click the small icon in the lower right or the picture of me in the upper left. Have a terrific day and be great. Take care.